I had such an amazing experience with Aruba floating breakfast. The setup was absolutely beautiful, with fresh flowers, champagne, and mimosas. It felt so luxurious and relaxing. What truly stood out was how kind and attentive the staff were. They made sure everything was perfect from start to finish and added such a personal touch to the morning. I highly recommend this experience to anyone visiting Aruba who wants to start their day feeling special and pampered. We had such a wonderful experience with the Aruba floating breakfast. The staff was incredibly friendly and made us feel so comfortable from the moment they arrived. The breakfast setup was beautiful and the food was delicious. It truly felt like a luxury and such a special way to start the day. Highly recommended to anyone visiting Aruba. My floating breakfast experience in Aruba was absolutely amazing. From the moment the tray arrived on the water, the whole morning felt peaceful, luxurious, and beautifully island-style. The turquoise pool, warm sunshine, and gentle breeze created the perfect setting to enjoy every bite. Amazing floating breakfast with dushy views. Beautiful setup, delicious food, and the free drone footage was stunning. Perfect Aruba views and a super smooth experience. Highly recommend. It was great, the food was amazing, the view was beautiful. I had a great time and I of course am going again. Highly recommend this at the top 3 things to do when you're in Aruba. It was a great experience. I was very comfortable and they were very professional. I would definitely book again. Wonderful experience, love it, will recommend this to anyone, please book it. Breakfast was delicious. Love it, 10 tens. That it is worth it. It was fun and the fruit tray was awesome. Will refer friends and family. Love the drone. This was one of the best experiences. Food, drone pilot and Sean were so amazing. 10 tens. I want to do it again. Lol.